Then you fold the first bend. Look at this, the first bend now. I folded it. Look at the hair tie. I'll just fold it and you put it on your head. Remember, one part is longer than the other part. And I folded it. Then I'll put it on my head. The longer part will go under, while the shorter part will be on top. The longer part under, while the shorter part is on top. So have you seen it? Then you go around again. Take it up. This is the type we used to see in Nollywood movies when they will show you person Sozoko and her hair tie. Because there's Zon and her hair tie. This is what you'll be seeing. So when you pass the other one on top, you take it to the back again. I hope you're seeing it. Then you tie it. You tie the tip, as in the tip, tie it together. Tie it to not be too loose. Then you arrange it with your hand. You arrange it with your hand. This is a small hair tie, but if I want it to be big, I'm going to get a big one. This is like a small one, half of a normal hair tie, a normal ichafu that the Igbo women used to tie. So this is how you tie it. It's very easy and it's very simple. Just let me do it again. Let me lose this one. You get your hair tie, your ichafu, and you fold the front. This is the front. You fold it. The folded part you put on your head. One part is longer than the other parts, but not too long. Then the longer part will go under. The shorter part will be on top. Are you seeing it? The longer part under, the shorter part on top. Then you take the shorter part, you take it again. The longer part, sorry. You go around again. And this is the tip. You hold the tip and tie it. The other shorter part that has been there. Tie it again. So look at it at the back. The back is tight. The back is tight. I don't know if you can see, but look at how I tie the back. Then the front, I'll come back again to the front. Now I'll arrange it well. I'll fold where I need to fold, and I'll make it to be as big as what I want. This is a small hair tie, that's why it's small. But if it's a big one that is like canopy, you make it big. So that's the easy way to tie your hair tie. Thank you so much and do have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe. I made a video on how to tie wrapper. If you want to learn how to tie a wrapper, like an Igbo woman, that you have to carry your leg up and go anywhere you want to go. Not when you want to walk, you have to be carrying your wrapper like this. Go and watch it. Thank you so much and do have a nice day.